Felix coming, June. Let peace encircle America. Let men work hand in hand. You know what? Mankind, let us mastermind, materialize, mobilize, mercantilize, melancholize the things that matters most. The inevitables, intangibles, not your force and ghosts. Life's a stage, you ran to rage, you turn a page and birth to grave. The run around, the ups and downs, the chance we took by the hook of the crook. Look at Boston, Columbine, Oklahoma, 9/11, John F. Kennedy, Martin Luther King, and Sandy Hook. It's a book on a stream. Life's a dream, so it seems. Extremophiles, pedophiles, running wild, so much guile. And the dirty flood on Mother Earth, the 6 feet old remote, the lost souls, we need gun control. Hey, the second airborne, Navy SEAL Coast Guard Airborne Marine. Are you ready? On your mouth? Get set? BB. The land of the free. I know of the way.